Assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir are being conducted after 10 years. Last elections were held in 2014 and now it is 2024 elections are being conducted. It will be held in three phases, first, second and third. And for the third phase, North Kashmir will be included. Two major important developments in these elections would be, one is Engineer Rashid party, that's Awami Ittehad Party. Awami Ittehad Party has fielded its candidates in almost all the constituencies of Kashmir, and few candidates will be contesting from Jammu division also. So it would be most interesting to see how they perform in this election. In Lok Sabha elections, Engineer Rashid contested election from Baramulla constituency and he defeated his two strong opponents. One was former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah, and second, Jammu Kashmir People's Conference Chief Sajjad Ghani Lone. And another one was also an important candidate, that is Mir Fayaz, who was a Rajya Sabha member from People's Democratic Party. Basically, when he lost the election, Jammu Kashmir People's Democratic Party accommodated him in Rajya Sabha as he had lost with a very minor margin. So this would be very interesting to see if Awami Ittehad Party is able to retain the support Engineer Rashid got in Lok Sabha election. And second important thing is entry of Jamaat Islami backed candidates. Jamaat Islami has unofficially bagged a few candidates who have fielded nominations for phase first and phase second of election. And now for phase third, we are also expecting Jamaat Islami candidates to be fielded to contest the election. So it is to be seen how Jamaat Islami candidates perform in this election. They are back into the elections, back into the electoral politics after I think some 25, 35 years. So it would be interesting how they are able to perform. How is their comeback? And second is Engineer Rashid's party's candidates. Basically, Engineer Rashid has immensely performed well, won Lok Sabha election with great margin. Now it is to be seen if his candidates, his party members are able to retain that support and perform the way Engineer performed in Lok Sabha elections. Basically, Engineer is still in Tihar jail. If he's out, then things might be different for the party. Otherwise, we have to see how they are able to get the local support, get the electoral support in this election.